And sources have informed CNN News 18 that Prime Minister Modi is likely to travel to Kerala on Saturday to review the flood situation in Wayanad. So, big update coming in that Prime Minister Modi is likely to travel to Kerala on Saturday to review the flood situation in Wayanad. This is as per sources. Payal Mehta continues to stay with us to give us more details on this. Payal, over to you.
We saw what devastation was caused by these rains, and what really actually the landslides actually made Wayanad really suffer, probably wiped out village after village, a lot of tragedy, both to human life as well as property. And that is something, of course, the center has been keeping a close watch on. Remember, on the first day itself, when the tragedy details came to the fore, the Prime Minister uh, he announced a relief and rescue operation. He, in fact, sent his central minister, also to the state. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to do an aerial survey on Saturday in the state of Kerala. He probably will land at Kannur, or probably land at Calicut and go forward from there and take an aerial survey of Wayanad is what we are given to understand. He's also expected to meet a few people, understand from them what the situation is, what is the need in terms of immediate assistance. You've already seen a lot of back and forth word between the Home Minister and the Kerala Chief Minister as far as the Wayanad issue is really concerned. But the Prime Minister over there going there to the state, expressing his sympathies with the people of Kerala, and sending a message to the people of Kerala that they are hand in hand with the state government to make sure that relief is maximized. Yesterday, also, you saw in the Lok Sabha how Rahul Gandhi raised the issue of Wayanad and the kind of assistance that Wayanad really needed. Later, also, he went and met Ashwini Vaishnav, the railways minister, also about the issues concerning Wayanad railway restoration as well.
All right, Payal, thank you so much for getting us all those details. Right now, we have some more breaking news coming in.